Hi, my name is Mike Batan, and with my friend, we have made a city of which is Green Heaven. And we named this Green Heaven because we all love the nature beauty. So, on basis of our nature, like green plants and full of oxygen, no pollution. So that's why we give the name at Green Heaven. So my friend talk about the location, key areas, food security, green infrastructure, and waste reduction and circular economics. That's all we are talking about in this, and my all the friend will talk little bit about this point. Thank you.
Our city will be in British Columbia, Canada, near the coast. This spot is great for using clean energy like hydro and wind power while protecting nature. The mild climate and fertile land will help with farming, make it easier to grow food locally. We'll plan the city carefully to keep forests, parks, and water clean while using smart, eco friendly building methods. The goal is to create a city that is energy efficient, self sustaining, and in harmony with nature. The three key areas Greenhaven will be focusing on are food security, green infrastructure, and waste reduction plus circular economy.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Wasim Yusufi, and I'll be talking about food security. So, with food security, we will help grow food locally using vertical farms, greenhouses, and community gardens. This will help us cut down on food imports and lower pollution and provide fresh, healthy food. Vertical farms save space and allow for year-round growing, while community gardens can help people grow their own food. We'll also work with local farmers and use smart farming technology like automated water systems. Sustainable practicing like this can help composting and organic farming. We will keep the soil healthy, and the city will promote food education and urban farming so residents can take part growing their own food. These efforts will make sure the city has a steady food supply without relying too much on outside sources.
Hi, so I'm Tahmid, and I'll be talking about our green infrastructure for the city. So first of all, in the green infrastructure, we have green roofs. So we are thinking about these roofs will be covered with plants and other things, which help reduce heat, improve air quality, and even absorb rainwater, helping prevent it helps prevent floods. Then we have urban forests. We will be focusing on planting trees around the cities, parks, along the roads, and in neighborhoods. They give us shade, clean the air, and provide homes for birds and animals. Then we are looking at an eco-friendly pavement. Most of the pavement system that cities use nowadays are not eco-friendly, but what happens because of that is they don't let rainwater pass properly, and they hold the water, and which can cause environment pollution. So our first target is to not let that happen. We will make the kind of pavement which lets rainwater pass through instead of running off. It helps reduce flooding and helps the groundwater levels balanced. For number five, we have smart systems. We also have smart systems in our mind. There are technologies that manage things like water flow, lighting, and waste. They use sensors and data to make our cities run more efficiently and save energy, which will control through softwares. For number six, we have rainwater collection. Rainwater collection is another great method. We can collect the rain in tanks and reuse it for watering plants or cleaning them. It saves water and at the same time reduces the pressure on city water systems. And the water doesn't go waste like if we use that. For number 7, we have parks and nature reserves. These are green open spaces that give people a place to relax, play, and enjoy nature. They also protect local plants and animals. In conclusion, green infrastructure is all about making smart, natural choices in city planning. It helps our environment, it saves the resource, and makes our lives a lot better. Thank you. So this is our finalized map about our city we are going to build. As you can see from the map, we have food security, we have year-round greenhouses, we focus on a lot of green infrastructure, there is waste reduction and circular economy, we have park, we have waste reduction and circular economy, we have food education where we rely less, we have a spot for food education where we'll build a school which where they will teach to be less reliant on imports and be more reliant on making products in-house. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Fahad Nawaz, and I'll be talking about waste reduction and circular economy. The city will aim for zero waste by recycling, composting, and reusing materials. Recycling programs will make sure items like plastic and paper are properly processed. Composting facilities will turn food waste into soil for farming. Upcycling centers will help people repurpose old items instead of throwing them away. Waste to energy plants will turn biodegradable waste into electricity, reducing landfill use. Businesses will be encouraged to use sustainable packaging and cut down on waste. Residents will be educated on proper recycling and other ways to reduce waste at home. By forcing on reusing and repurposing materials, the city will stay cleaner and more sustainable. Thank you.